Treatment of type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic condition that requires lifelong management. The primary goal of treatment is to maintain blood sugar levels with a targeted range, preventing both short-term and long-term complications. The cornerstone of type 1 diabetes management is insulin therapy, as the body no longer produces this essential hormone. Number 1 is the insulin therapy. Multiple dose injections. Many individuals with type 1 diabetes use multiple dose injections of insulin. This involves inflammation and a combination of short-acting and long-acting insulin to mimic the natural release of insulin in the body. Number 2, insulin pump. As alternative to injections, an insulin pump delivers a continuous supply of insulin throughout the body in the day, with additional doses given before meals. This method provides more flexibility in the managing insulin levels. Number 3 is blood sugar monitoring. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is crucial to adjust insulin doses and maintain control. Continuous glucose monitoring devices provide real-time data offering a more comprehensive view of glucose fluctuation. Number 4, carbohydrate counting. Managing carbohydrate intake is essential as carbohydrates directly impact blood sugar. Carbohydrate counting allows individuals to match insulin doses with the amount of carbohydrates consumed, promoting better control. Number 5 is healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular physical activity, and maintaining a healthy weight are integral components of managing type 1 diabetes. Consistency in daily routines helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 6 is education and support. Diabetes education plays a crucial role in empowering individuals to manage their conditions effectively. Learning about insulin administration, blood sugar monitoring, and lifestyle adjustments enhances self-care capabilities. Support from healthcare professionals, diabetes educators, and support groups is vital for educational well-being and coping with the daily challenges of diabetes. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.